Aegis. The Aegis served as the legendary protective shield carried by Zeus and Athena. Ancient myths describe the Aegis displaying the terrifying head of Medusa prominently. Its divine presence inspired courage among allies and overwhelming fear within enemies. Greek traditions portray the Aegis as an unmatched symbol of divine authority everywhere. Athena frequently carried the shield during battles, protecting favored heroes courageously. Its supernatural power could scatter armies without requiring direct physical combat entirely. Many artistic depictions feature intricate golden scales surrounding the fearsome Gorgon head. The shield represented wisdom, protection, justice, and irresistible divine strength simultaneously. Today, the Aegis remains Greek mythology's most recognizable legendary defensive artifact universally. Thunderbolt of Zeus. The Thunderbolt became Zeus's signature weapon after defeating the mighty Titans successfully. Ancient myths describe the Cyclopes forging this divine weapon beneath volcanic mountains. Its immense power allowed Zeus to command storms and heavenly lightning effortlessly. Greek traditions portray the Thunderbolt as the ultimate symbol of supreme authority everywhere. Zeus frequently wielded the weapon against rebellious gods, monsters, and arrogant mortals alike. Its brilliant flashes illuminated battlefields while demonstrating overwhelming divine power continuously. Many myths describe opponents falling instantly beneath its unstoppable destructive force completely. The weapon symbolized justice, leadership, punishment, and cosmic balance throughout Greek mythology. Today, Zeus's Thunderbolt remains mythology's most famous divine weapon across countless cultures. Trident of Poseidon. The trident served as Poseidon's legendary weapon and symbol of absolute oceanic dominion. Ancient myths describe the trident creating earthquakes with devastating strikes against Earth. Its three sharp prongs represented unmatched authority over seas and powerful storms. Greek traditions portray the trident as an instrument of creation and destruction equally. Poseidon used the weapon to calm oceans or unleash terrifying tidal disasters instantly. Its divine craftsmanship reflected the immense strength possessed by the sea god. Many artistic depictions emphasize the trident's elegant design and commanding appearance consistently. The weapon symbolized power, authority, unpredictability, and nature's unstoppable forces everywhere. Today, Poseidon's trident remains one mythology's most recognizable legendary sacred weapons universally. Helm of Hades. The Helm of Hades granted complete invisibility to whoever wore it properly. Ancient myths describe the Cyclopes crafting this remarkable artifact for Hades originally. Its magical abilities allowed wearers to move unseen through dangerous situations safely. Greek traditions portray the helm as one mythology's greatest supernatural treasures ever. Perseus borrowed the artifact while completing his dangerous mission against Medusa successfully. Its invisibility provided critical advantages without relying upon physical strength alone ever. Many stories highlight the helmet's importance during legendary heroic adventures repeatedly throughout. The artifact symbolized secrecy, protection, strategy, and hidden divine influence consistently everywhere. Today, the helm remains Greek mythology's most famous magical protective artifact universally. Golden Fleece. The Golden Fleece originated from a miraculous ram sent by the gods. Ancient myths describe its shimmering wool possessing extraordinary divine significance and value. King Aetes guarded the sacred treasure within the distant kingdom of Colchis carefully. Greek traditions portray the fleece as a symbol of rightful kingship and prosperity. Jason assembled the legendary Argonauts to recover this priceless sacred artifact courageously. Their dangerous expedition became one mythology's greatest adventures across unknown seas together. The fleece represented divine favor, heroic achievement, and legitimate royal authority simultaneously. Many later legends celebrated its unmatched prestige among sacred mythological treasures continually. Today, the Golden Fleece remains Greek mythology's most celebrated legendary artifact worldwide.
Harpe. The harpe became the legendary curved sword wielded by the hero Perseus courageously. Ancient myths describe the gods providing this weapon before confronting Medusa successfully. Its razor-sharp blade could pierce supernatural creatures resistant to ordinary weapons completely. Greek traditions portray the harpe as a symbol of divine assistance and bravery. Perseus used the sword carefully while avoiding Medusa's deadly petrifying gaze entirely. After victory, the harpe remained celebrated among mythology's greatest heroic weapons forever. Many artistic depictions emphasize its distinctive curved blade and elegant craftsmanship beautifully. The weapon represented courage, precision, determination, and heroic destiny throughout Greek mythology. Today, the harpe remains one mythology's most famous legendary swords ever created. Winged Sandals of Hermes, Talaria. The winged sandals granted Hermes extraordinary speed across earth, sea, and heavens effortlessly. Ancient myths describe these magical sandals carrying their wearer beyond ordinary mortal limitations. Golden wings attached beside each sandal allowed swift movement through open skies gracefully. Greek traditions portray the Talaria as symbols of freedom and divine communication everywhere. Hermes frequently wore them while delivering important messages between gods and humanity faithfully. Perseus later borrowed the sandals during his dangerous quest against Medusa successfully. Their remarkable speed enabled impossible journeys across vast distances within remarkably short periods. The sandals symbolized swiftness, exploration, divine guidance, and limitless opportunity throughout mythology. Today, the Talaria remain Greek mythology's most recognizable magical footwear, universally admired everywhere. Caduceus of Hermes. The caduceus served as Hermes' sacred staff, topped with graceful intertwined serpents elegantly. Ancient myths describe the staff resolving conflicts through peaceful divine intervention consistently. Its golden wings reflected Hermes' role as messenger among gods and mortals alike. Greek traditions portray the caduceus as a symbol of diplomacy and balanced harmony. Hermes carried the staff while guiding travelers, merchants, and wandering souls safely everywhere. Its supernatural authority allowed peaceful negotiation between opposing sides without unnecessary violence entirely. Many artistic depictions feature symmetrical serpents surrounding the polished central staff beautifully. The artifact represented communication, cooperation, prosperity, and divine guidance across ancient Greece continuously. Today, the caduceus remains mythology's most recognizable symbol associated with Hermes universally worldwide. Bow of Artemis. The bow of Artemis became the goddess's legendary weapon for hunting wild animals skillfully. Ancient myths describe the Cyclops forging this magnificent bow with exceptional divine craftsmanship. Its flawless accuracy allowed Artemis to strike distant targets without missing consistently ever. Greek traditions portray the bow as a symbol of independence and natural balance. Artemis protected forests and wildlife, while punishing those disrespecting sacred natural places severely. The weapon reflected discipline, patience, precision, and unwavering devotion toward justice everywhere. Many artistic depictions show Artemis carrying the bow beside a quiver confidently always. Its legendary reputation inspired countless stories celebrating courage and extraordinary hunting abilities repeatedly. Today, Artemis's bow remains mythology's greatest symbol of divine archery and wilderness protection. Apollo's golden lyre. Apollo's golden lyre became the legendary instrument producing unmatched divine musical harmony everywhere. Ancient myths describe Hermes gifting the lyre to Apollo after their reconciliation peacefully. Its beautiful melodies inspired joy, wisdom, creativity, and emotional healing among listeners universally. Greek traditions portray the lyre as the highest symbol of artistic excellence everywhere. Apollo performed magnificent music before gods, heroes, and mortals throughout countless legendary celebrations. Its enchanting sound demonstrated music's extraordinary ability to unite different communities peacefully together. Many stories describe wild animals becoming calm after hearing its heavenly melodies beautifully. The instrument represented inspiration, knowledge, civilization, and cultural achievement throughout Greek mythology consistently. Today, Apollo's golden lyre remains mythology's most celebrated legendary musical artifact universally. Pandora's jar, Pythos. Pandora's jar became the legendary container holding countless hardship destined for humanity forever. Ancient myths describe Zeus presenting Pandora with this mysterious sealed vessel carefully. Driven by curiosity, Pandora eventually opened the jar despite repeated warnings previously. Darkness, disease, sorrow, and suffering escaped into the human world immediately afterward. Greek traditions portray the jar as explaining humanity's enduring struggles throughout history symbolically. Only hope remained safely inside after Pandora quickly closed the vessel again. Many stories emphasize curiosity's consequences without portraying Pandora as purely malicious ever. The artifact represented temptation, responsibility, hope, and humanity's shared experiences throughout generations. Today, Pandora's jar remains Greek mythology's most influential legendary symbolic artifact universally. Cornucopia. The cornucopia became the legendary horn overflowing with endless food and abundant prosperity. Ancient myths describe the magical horn originating from the divine goat Amalthea originally. Its miraculous blessings provided unlimited harvests, fruits, and nourishing meals continuously everywhere. Greek traditions portray the cornucopia as the ultimate symbol of abundance and generosity. Gods frequently associated the horn with agricultural prosperity and peaceful, flourishing communities together. Its endless bounty represented nature's generosity when respected and carefully protected properly. Many artistic depictions feature overflowing grapes, wheat, flowers, and colorful seasonal fruits beautifully. The artifact symbolized wealth, nourishment, fertility, and lasting prosperity throughout Greek mythology consistently. Today, the cornucopia remains mythology's most recognizable emblem of abundance and good fortune. Golden apples of the Hesperides. The golden apples grew within a sacred garden guarded by immortal divine protectors faithfully. Ancient myths describe the fruits granting remarkable blessings through extraordinary supernatural properties uniquely. Ladon tirelessly protected the garden beneath Hera's constant divine watchfulness every day. Greek traditions portray the apples as treasures reserved exclusively for immortal beings forever. Heracles retrieved these sacred fruits during one of his legendary 12 labors successfully. Their brilliant golden appearance reflected divine perfection and everlasting celestial beauty constantly. Many stories emphasize determination while overcoming impossible obstacles, protecting priceless sacred treasures together. The apples symbolized immortality, divine favor, achievement, and extraordinary perseverance throughout mythology consistently. Today, the golden apples remain Greek mythology's most celebrated legendary sacred treasures universally. Ariadne's thread. Ariadne's thread became the legendary guide through Crete's confusing labyrinth successfully forever. Ancient myths describe Princess Ariadne giving the thread to courageous Theseus secretly. The simple thread allowed Theseus finding his way after defeating the Minotaur safely. Greek traditions portray the thread as intelligence overcoming overwhelming challenges through careful planning. Without Ariadne's guidance, escaping the endless maze proved nearly impossible afterward entirely. Its remarkable simplicity contrasted sharply with the labyrinth's terrifying complexity and danger. Many stories celebrate Ariadne's wisdom alongside Theseus's courage and determination equally throughout. The artifact represented guidance, cleverness, hope, and practical problem-solving across Greek mythology consistently. Today, Ariadne's thread remains mythology's enduring symbol of finding difficult paths successfully. Palladium of Troy. The palladium served as Troy's sacred statue, protecting the legendary city faithfully always. Ancient myths describe the statue falling directly from heaven through divine intervention. Its presence guaranteed Troy's safety, while remaining inside the fortified city securely. Greek traditions portray the palladium as an unmatched symbol of divine protection everywhere. Greek heroes secretly stole the sacred statue before Troy's final devastating defeat. Without the artifact, the city's supernatural protection disappeared completely forever afterward. Many legends emphasize the palladium's importance within the successful Greek victory eventually. The statue represented security, divine favor, destiny, and political legitimacy throughout mythology consistently. Today, the palladium remains Greek mythology's most famous legendary protective sacred artifact.